Good morning, everybody. This is Todd with the Forex Nitty Gritty Insiders daily video. Hope you're having a fantastic day today and ready for another fun and exciting day trading in the world of Forex. Hopefully, you have your rules down. Hopefully, you are trading well, meaning following your rules. And with the simple trading method, as you know, we've got a lot of very defined rules and very simple rules in order to determine whether you should enter into a trade or avoid the trade. And so you want to have that down. Tomorrow we'll go through that a little bit more, the details of that. But the first thing that I want to do is take a look at the overall market. We continue to see the market wanting to, I won't say wanting, but going down. It's certainly something that this fiscal cliff has brought into question as far as how the government is going to control that here in the U.S. But that's really kind of the big thing. We see that news that the Eurozone has slipped into a second recession. We're going to get some news today as far as the weekly job claims. All of those things are going to are looked at heavily in the markets, and we have had some pretty, I would say, more quiet movements lately. But those quiet movements are going to happen, and we just have to make sure that we are aware of that, and we take that into consideration as we trade and as we go through the process that we go through. Now, today, as far as news goes, we have core CPI in the U.S. We've got our unemployment claims and Empire State Manufacturing Index coming out, followed about an hour and a half later by the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index. So a lot of things that are going on tomorrow. We do have the tick data, but nothing really other than that that's coming out. So we're not going to be as news driven tomorrow. But we want to know, what's going on. What are the headlines? How does that affect what we're trading? And we've talked in the past about making sure that the risk that we take is appropriate for what we're doing. Now, I just want to look back here over the last day and a half to 2 days, and looking at the hourly chart. We've talked about being able to identify price patterns, and this is an example of a head and shoulders type of a pattern. And again, things aren't always perfect, but we've got a shoulder, we've got the head, we've got the neckline, and we certainly broke above that neckline. So at least on this time frame, we're seeing the market showing a little bit of strength. The euro's showing some strength versus the U.S. dollar. And so when we can pick things out like that, that can give us a clue as to the direction that we want to be trading or should be trading. If we see a reversal pattern happening, looking for the markets to reverse and go back up. The Aussie dollar kind of done an opposite thing. We've had I won't say collapse, but a pretty strong move down, 130 pips to the downside here over the last day. And so that has caught. It's interesting that we're seeing opposite movements here of typically correlated pairs. Even the pound dollar is staying down while the euro dollar is going up. So a lot of inconsistencies, non-deliberate movements. Real strong move up here on the U.S. Japanese yen. U.S. CAD's a little more flat, and the U.S. Swiss franc is moving down, which is inversely correlated to what's happening in the euro dollar. So keep that in mind. Make sure that you're positioned properly so you don't over leverage yourself. And as you look to trade the simple trading method, take into consideration, one, the time frame that you're looking at. Are you looking at the daily trend, the hourly trend, the 5-minute trend? And then make sure you understand and determine the entry points that you're looking at when you're getting into that. So take some time to review that, and if you have questions, feel free to let me know. If not, we'll be back tomorrow to talk a little more about the simple trading method and our entry points for that. So until then, have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.